आज का वीडियो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है for those of you who love to shop on Amazon and for those of you who do not love to shop on Amazon. This video is for all of you to create awareness from the scam that is happening on Amazon and how to get a resolution from the scam. So in this video, I have shared my own experience how I got scammed on Amazon and how I got resolution. So if you want to save your hard-earned money and want to know how I got scammed and how I saved myself from the scam, so please stay tuned till the end of the video and I will be sharing my entire experience. Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel Be Obsessed. My name is Sumana, and for those of you who are here first time, let me tell you, I make videos on beauty, lifestyle and travel vlogs on my channel. So I'm sure if you are here for the first time, you would have a great time on my channel. So please take a moment to hit that like button, the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that whenever I upload any video, you get notified immediately. Alright, so आप लोगों ने टाइटल पढ़ के पता कर ही लिया होगा, आप लोग काफी स्मार्ट हो, आप लोगों को पता चल ही गया होगा कि ये वीडियो बेसिकली हमारा जो एक्सपीरियंस है, जो हमारे साथ फ्रॉड हुआ था Amazon से सामान खरीदने के बाद, उसको हमने कैसे सॉल्व किया, कैसे हमारे पैसे वापस आए, कैसे Amazon पिक्चर में आया, कैसे सेलर ने हमारे साथ फ्रॉड किया, तो वो सारे डिटेल्स मैं इस वीडियो में आगे जाके शेयर करने वाली हूँ. ऑलराइट, सो आप सबने देखा होगा मेरे बर्थडे से पहले नील ने मेरे लिए GoPro 9 Hero ऑर्डर किया था और आप लोगों के सामने ही हम लोगों ने उसका अनबॉक्सिंग किया और वो GoPro Hero 9 निकाला. And he ordered the GoPro 9 Hero bundle package along with a 3-way selfie stick and the GoPro 9. It was a bundle package for rupees 40,990 and Neil ordered it from a very renowned retailer on Amazon, who is also a verified retailer on Amazon for all electronic goods and products. So I will not be able to disclose the name of the retailer. I will tell you the reason in the later part of the video why I will not be able to disclose the name of the retailer. But let me tell you a background of the story, what happened actually. So once we ordered, you guys might have seen the video where I have, opened the box in front of you guys. We did the unboxing. So once we did the unboxing, we found that the GoPro Hero 9 was there, but out of excitement we forgot it was a bundle package that Neil had ordered. So even Neil forgot that it was a bundle package and the 3-way grip which was supposed to be there was missing. So once we got this the Hero black thingy, like the GoPro black Hero thingy, so it was the first package that came out was not wrapped in that transparent laminate kind of a thing which you usually see when you order a GoPro from their website. You get a laminate wrapped new GoPro box, but this one, if you see, it is not laminated. It is just a normal box which came out. And also when you see that we are trying to open the seal is already broken and it is been just stuck with a sellotape. 2 sellotapes are there, which we actually did not notice at that time because we were really excited, as I told you. However, once we opened the box, we understood that it is like a refurbished product. But we were not sure because the seal was broken. One, we were like thinking it was a refurbished product, and second, we were trying to check if even if we have all the things inside, it is still okay, because we didn't have time for our changing it or something like that, because we wanted to take that for the vacation that we were going in Kashmir. Now what happened is that so I asked him, did you order the bundle? So then he realized, okay, we ordered the bundle. The bundle was missing, as in the stick, the selfie stick, the 3-way grip stick that was a part of the package was missing. Also on the product, it was mentioned that for extended 2 years warranty, you need to go to the website and you need to register with the serial number. So I was fidgeting around on the website and I was not able to find the serial number on the product as well. So I was trying to check on the website how to go ahead and register. But ultimately when I was like not able to find the serial number on the product, I called up Amazon. So the executive on the Amazon side told me that, okay, I will share the serial number with you guys. Now, while she was sharing the serial number with me, I also told her that the part of the product is missing because my husband actually ordered like a bundle package and we paid so much. However, the stick, the selfie stick is missing. So she said that okay, fine, I will raise like not a refund, I will raise an investigation request because this is a high-end product, high-end electronic product, so we cannot raise a refund or something like that immediately. We will send it for the investigation team. They will investigate the product and everything, and within 48 hours they will come back to us with the resolution. Because I called them well in time. There was like a 13 days time period or something. Now, in the meanwhile, I asked her, okay, can you please share the serial number with me? Then she shared the serial number with me, and I was trying to log in on the GoPro website to get the extended warranty. And the shock of my life came there because it was coming up as invalid serial number. I tried a couple of times. It still showed the same thing. Then I told the lady on the other side who was from Amazon, who was assisting me, I told her to try it on her system. Now, when she tried on her system, she confirmed that the product that was sent to me was a fake GoPro, and it was so identical. Guys, I tell you, you will not be able to, differentiate between the two, the original GoPro and the fake product. It is like identical mirror. Okay, so she told me, okay, this is a fake product, I'm so sorry that you received a fake product and also some missing parts of it. I was like literally in tears. I was like, okay, lag gaya abhi, matlab 40,000 ka chuna lag gaya. So me and Neil, we really fought. I told Neil, how did you order this? This is all fake and all. So this 40,000 to hamara to ho hi gaya, matlab you can get it. Like we were like literally fighting because we didn't have time. We were like 5 दिन में we were supposed to travel to Kashmir, and this was happening. So then she raised a complaint, like an investigation. So I tried to call up the investigation team the very next day to check if they can speed up the procedure, but unfortunately they said that we cannot speed up the procedure, even though I explained to them that I will be traveling. So if there is something that comes up, the verdict that you're saying, verdict as per Amazon, if you're saying that your verdict will come out, only then you can make the changes. So I told them, but they said we will not be able to do anything. You have to wait for 48 hours, 48 working hours from the time you have raised the complaint. So that happened. Okay, now 48 working hours I was waiting. So the manager that I was speaking to, the floor manager who was taking care of my complaint, was supposed to call me back once the verdict was there from the investigation team, as he promised me that once I get the verdict, I will give you a call back and I will let you know what it is. What is the next procedure, because you'll be traveling in 5 days. So I'll give you a call. But unfortunately, I did not receive any call. I waited for the entire day almost, and then I called them up because I was like thinking, oh, what happened to us? We really got scammed and we didn't want it to. So I was checking on YouTube also, like, did anybody else had the same experience of getting scammed on Amazon by any seller? And I could find a couple of more videos where they were scammed and they didn't receive their refund or something. So I was like totally okay. Mera birthday se pehle to 40,000 ka chuna lag gaya, and I was like literally irritated and almost mood kharab hi ho gaya. So then I called them up and they said that okay, we have seen that it is a fake product and you haven't received the bundle as well. So what we will do is we will place a replacement for you. So somebody will come and pick up the one that you have, and then they will send you the original product with the selfie stick that is there. So this, that was the part of the package. So I said, okay, the fake GoPro 9 that was delivered to me. So somebody comes to pick it up as usual, the delivery person. I hand over the, parcel to him, and he says that, okay, once we receive the parcel in the warehouse, replacement will be delivered. So I was like, okay, Amazon is a very big company. Amazon is very, very customer centric. And I was like, okay, maybe Amazon has recognized that the seller is doing something, or whoever it is doing, I don't know, there is a mishap at the back end or something, but somebody was doing something wrong. And I was like thinking, okay, but Amazon is there to take care of me. Like they say, apna dukaan hai na, and they're very customer centric. So I was thinking, okay, now after 2 days exactly, I get my parcel delivered. Okay, now I was this time very sure that I will have the entire product and I can definitely take it for my vacation. So I got the package delivered, and immediately I thought I will open it. So I opened it immediately, and I got another shock because this time only the three-way grip handle was there inside the package and there was no sign of GoPro. So I called the delivery person immediately. I told him, okay, this is the box, but where is the GoPro? The original 40,000 का जो GoPro है वो कहाँ है? ये तो stick है. So he said, ma'am, this is not my job. My job is just to deliver it to you guys. I don't know what is inside the package. So if you want, you have to speak to Amazon and speak to them. So I was like, what is going on? It's like Amazon is so much customer centric. Amazon is every time telling that, okay, we value our customers, we do so much for our customers. So I was like literally in tears that this is the second time this has happened with me. Now I immediately call up the Amazon customer care team. Again, another executive picks up, and I tell the entire thing to the executive. The executive says, okay, I do see that there is a note mentioned here where you have mentioned, the previous executive has mentioned that a fake product was delivered. We are literally sorry, blah blah blah. They told everything. They said, okay, fine, what I'll do is I will raise another investigation, and you will have to wait for another 48 working hours. I was like, oh my god, another 48 working hours? Do you want me to be like stressed out when I'm traveling for my vacation, for my birthday? And I was like literally in tears, man. It's so much of a stress that 40,000 ka chuna lag gaya, and I was like very irritated. Okay, now they were like constantly telling me we don't have any other option to expedite the procedure, and we don't know how to expedite the procedure because it's a high-end product and we cannot refund immediately, we cannot do anything, this is a procedure we have to follow. Which I understand, it is a part of the procedure, it's a part of the policy. Being a big company, it's difficult to manage, and there is certain policies that is there. However, I told them, okay, will I be getting a call back from your team to inform once the investigation is done? They said, yes, you will definitely get a call back from the investigation team once the investigation is done. We definitely value you. We did definitely do this. You are a valuable customer. This, blah, blah, all they said. Okay, now 48 hours went by and I did not receive a call again from Amazon as usual. So I had to call them back, and then once I called them back, they said that, okay, so the verdict from the investigation team has come and they have refunded the amount to you, because only once they can send you a replacement, and if the replacement is not sent correctly, then the second process is they will refund the entire amount to you. Now I was like, okay, so when will I get my refund? Because I already had looked on for different videos on in the internet, on YouTube, where people were saying that we did not receive the refund, we did not receive our refund. It's been like 3 months, 4 months, and it's a high-end product. We are just struggling, we are fighting with Amazon, this and that, blah blah blah, everything was happening. So I was like, okay, I was thinking, okay, so let me just check. And they told me that within 7 to 14 working days, business working days, you will receive the refund in your amount, in the account, in the actual mode of the payment. Now the entire vacation was like, I was like literally upset, and I was thinking, oh my god, entire vacation. Because guys, 40,000 rupees is not a matter of joke. It's not 4,000 rupees or even 400 rupees, because even if you are working very hard, nobody will give you free 40,000 rupees, right? Nothing is free in this world. You don't get free lunch, so you have to work your ass hard to earn 40,000 rupees. So I was like literally very upset and all. So then Neil was trying to cheer me up during my vacation. And the Kashmir vlog you saw, I was not in my actual mood, but Neil was really trying hard to cheer me up. So if you guys haven't seen my Kashmir vlog, even though we took very good pictures and very good videos and everything without the GoPro, I think I think we don't need the GoPro any longer, because we really did very nice pictures and everything. But if you haven't seen the videos yet, please click here or here somewhere, or you can check my Kashmir travel videos. You will get to see there are many parts and beautifully done. So okay, let's come back to the GoPro thing now. So what happened is that so there we went and everything. So meanwhile I was just checking if the money has been refunded to him, to Neil's card or not, because Neil used his card. So I was just keep checking and checking and checking. So Neil was like, okay, mere taraf se gaya, okay, fine, but still it's anybody's money, it's our money, right? So then finally on the eighth working day, so once we were back from Kashmir, I checked again, and on the 8th working day I saw that the money was refunded to the original mode of payment, which was a great relief for me because I was literally in tears. And that is the time I understood that Amazon is really a customer centric company, and they definitely care their customers, and as they say that customer is the king, they definitely value each and every customer. And the reason why I am not disclosing the name of the retailer, because see, I have received my refund, right? Amazon did the right thing because I took the right steps at the right time. I immediately, within the time frame, the return time period, I called them, I informed them. Amazon followed their process. They investigated whatever the process was, they investigated and they helped me get my funds back, and I was not scammed by the seller. Now, what Amazon has to take steps for the seller, because it is a verified seller, they will deal with the seller. It is not something that I should, put my head into. But this video I'm making so that I can make or create an awareness for all of you guys, in case ever in your life you have been sent a fake high-end product from any seller who says that is a really, that's a original product. If you feel that is not the right product or it's a fake product, please contact Amazon immediately and they will be there to help you. Or any sale that they're doing, the great festival sale that they're doing right now. So sometimes what happens, sellers do sell, products which are fake, and many of my friends have experienced it, but they did not contact Amazon at the right time, and that is the reason they have not been able to provide them with the refund or something like that. But if you follow the return policy, if you see what time it is supposed to be refunded, or if you call them immediately after delivery and let them know, they will definitely be at your back and help you get the money back. They are always there to help you. Also, as a consumer, okay, I would like to tell you, as a consumer or somebody who is purchasing or shopping on Amazon, it is our duty to make sure once the product is delivered, if it is a high-end product, it is our duty to check whether it is a fake product or not, number one. Number two, if the seal is there or not, if it is broken. If you have purchased a refurbished product, that is different. But if you have ordered a new product, if the seal is broken, if anything is wrong, then you should immediately contact Amazon within 24 to 48 hours. Now, that was the only reason, that because my refund was done, everything was sorted, and Amazon is taking care of the seller. So that is the reason I'm not disclosing the name of the seller. But I would request you guys to be a little careful while you're shopping on Amazon. But Amazon is definitely there, which is very handy. I love to shop on Amazon, and we both shop high-end products, everything, home products, everything we shop from Amazon because it is very, very convenient. And especially during lockdown, it was very, very convenient because they kept on delivering at our doorsteps whatever essentials we needed. So that is a big, thank you and a big shout out to Amazon and Amazon team, and also a big thank you to the team who helped me get my money back from the Amazon team, the executive. I don't really remember the name of the lady. I was speaking to the first lady who identified it was a fake product. If you are viewing this video and if you are the one who has helped me, please comment and let me know that you were the one. I am so sorry that I forgot your name, but Amazon, if you can find out the lady, I would request you to please, award the executive who has helped me solve the problem and get my money on time. So this was it for the video. This was my experience. I thankfully got the funds back, and I'm so happy that I can actually utilize the same amount somewhere else to purchase something else, and वो पैसा मेरा ऐसे scam नहीं हो पाया, thanks to Amazon. And thanks to Jeff Bezos for creating such a beautiful company and such a beautiful concept where everybody can shop online and you can get things delivered at your doorsteps. This is not at all a sponsored video. This is my personal experience that I'm sharing with you guys, because as somebody who is creating digital content on YouTube and Instagram, I thought this is my responsibility, my social responsibility, let you guys know that this is how you need to save your hard-earned money. Especially young age who've just started shopping on Amazon, this is for you guys. So I would request you guys to please share this video as much as you can, so that we can create awareness and you guys can keep shopping on Amazon, and you guys can also help yourself and save yourself from getting scammed on Amazon by sellers. Amazon is definitely a very good platform to shop on, but it's not Amazon's fault, guys. It is the sellers who sometimes mislead customers. So make sure you purchase from a verified seller by Amazon, because then the chances are you will definitely get your funds back, because verified sellers are not small 1 day or 2 day sellers. They are like big giant sellers, big retailers. So your chances of not getting scammed by them are really high, and getting your funds back is really high. Alright guys, so this was my experience of getting scammed by a seller on Amazon, and Amazon saving me and my hard-earned money. So if you guys have ever faced any such experience in your life so far, where you have been scammed by a seller on Amazon and Amazon was there to help you and have saved your money, please do not forget to leave me a comment below and let me know, so that we all are aware. And please share this video as much as possible, so that we can create an awareness around online shopping on Amazon. I think that was it. It was too much of a story that I shared with you guys. I was literally thinking, should I share this with you guys or should I not share this with you guys? But then Neil told me that you should be sharing this with your subscribers, with your family members, with your Be Obsessed fam, so that even if anybody in your Be Obsessed fam is purchasing on Amazon, or anybody outside Be Obsessed fam is purchasing on Amazon, then they should be aware of how to get their money refunded and they can be saved from a scam. So please do help me to get this video as much views and as much share as possible. This is basically like a social cause that I would want you guys to help me with. And when I talk to you guys, I am literally, I feel like I'm talking to my family members. So I would not take much of your time. I don't know, this video has been a super lengthy video, but it was lovely sharing my experience with you guys. We should wrap up the video here today. See you in the next one. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and be obsessed about whatever you do in your life, but you know the drill, in a positive way. Bye.